Hi guys, so it's me again. Please don't forget to like and share. And today I'm gonna show you what I'm going to have for dinner. Of course, I'm going to have a really delicious lamb. So I'm going to make my wet ingredients. So it's garlic, olive oil, thyme, and mint. So I'm just going to grind them with my food grinder. So after that, guys, and this is my dry ingredients. So it's black pepper, salt, and cayenne powder, and paprika. And after that, guys, so I just spread it all over with my lamb. So after that, guys, I'm just going to brush my wet ingredients, and also I'm going to let it marinate this for at least 4 hours. So, and also, guys, thank you so much for watching and the support, and I really appreciate it, and I wish I can share with you guys. I can share this with you guys. And also, guys, after marinating, I'm going to transfer it to my oven.